In Update 6.4, we introduced a range of highly requested features, starting with actions on reverse. Many Model 3 and Model Y owners wanted a more seamless way to perform actions while parking, and now it's possible with our OBD dongle, the Commander. Once installed, open the S3XY app, scroll to Actions on Reverse and simply enable the toggles of the features you want to use. The first option allows you to activate your rear fog lights, improving visibility when parking at night or in low visibility conditions. It's worth noting that US-built Highland and Juniper models are not equipped with rear fog lights, so this feature won't be available for them. However, the Model 3 Highland Premium does include rear fog lights that aren't accessible through the Tesla screen, but can be activated using our S3XY products, meaning the automatic enabling of the rear fog lights will work for them. You can also enable dynamic brake lights, an action we introduced a while back, which makes your taillights flash continuously, helping alert pedestrians and nearby drivers while improving overall visibility. Another useful feature is the ability to disable automatic side mirror dimming. Many users reported reduced visibility when parking in a garage or at night, and this option ensures a clearer view for a stress-free parking experience. Keep in mind that all visibility-related features require your headlights to be turned on. Finally, we've added the Mute All Sounds toggle, which silences both the interior and exterior speakers of your Tesla. This includes phone calls, music, notifications, warning chimes, and the UFO-like reverse sound. This feature was highly requested by users who are concerned that the continuous reverse sound could disturb family members or neighbors when arriving home late. Keep in mind that when you enable the Mute All Sounds action, it will dim your Tesla screen. That is why we recommend having the second toggle called Only After Sunset enabled. That way, when parking at night, your vision of the display will not be obstructed as much. To discover even more features and capabilities unlocked by our S3XY products, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The S3XY Strip is our smart, customizable RGB light strip that displays alerts in pre-selected colors based on driving conditions, such as blind spot detection, turn signals, auto steer activation, and more. You can choose an animation style for each feature or set a default for the entire strip, as well as fine-tune brightness with individual offsets for each alert type. With Update 6.4, we took things a step further based on popular community feedback. Many users found it distracting when half of the strip lit up during the turn signals or blind spot alerts. Now, you can limit these effects to the edges only and adjust the number of active LEDs to control the width of the alert, allowing you to tailor it to your seating position and steering wheel setup. Currently, this customization is available for the blind spot assist, the turn signals, and the hazard lights. To access these settings, head over to the Strip tab in the S3XY app and scroll down to the Segment section. Then select Edges and you can start fine-tune the edge width and the brightness level. The second improvement to the S3XY Strip is another popular request, a dedicated night mode that dims the light strip at dusk, reducing unwanted glare and reflections on the windshield. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the strip and enable the toggle. Here's how it works. In night mode, the strip is synced with your Tesla system clock. When the display automatically switches to dark mode at sunset, the strip dims accordingly. At sunrise, when the screen returns to the light theme, the strip increases its brightness to match. For the default color at night, you can keep it the same as during the day, or you can pick an index from the slots at the top of the page. You can also further adjust the brightness by using the slider. And finally, for those of you who appreciate nostalgia, we added a new fun animation to our library, the Knight Rider skit, which will bring memories for the fans of the series. We will continue to improve the S3XY Strip and make it even smarter. So shoot your suggestions down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you own a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y Performance, you're likely familiar with Track Mode, a feature designed to optimize your car for better performance on the track. With Update 6.4, you can now activate Track Mode on any performance model using the S3XY buttons or knob, including the new Model Y Juniper Performance where it's not yet officially available. Using the S3XY knob, you can also fine-tune key performance settings like the handling to adjust the power distribution and torque between the front and the rear during turns, and the stability, which defines how much assistance the ESP provides when maintaining control of the vehicle. You can also control the adaptive damping on Highland and Juniper models, switching between standard, sport, and track modes. Although these changes won't be shown on the Tesla screen, they are fully reflected in the S3XY app, which you can use as a dashboard to monitor your car data. There, you can also track additional stats introduced in Update 6.4, such as the brake light temperature on each wheel, alongside other metrics like total power output, battery temperature, and maximum discharge. We believe that bringing these settings to our products will create a more enjoyable experience on the track.